Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Friday. Freaky Friday. Yesterday, I made a mistake. I opened up my house, windows, turned off my AC, and I suffered. I ain't doing that again. Yeah. Okay. I don't know if it's because I'm getting older. My birthday is coming up. Yes, it is. Last night, I prepared my sausage and cabbage. Changed up a few things that I normally do. I used a chub of ground Italian hot sausage mix. And I used red/purple cabbage instead of green. It was good. It was an excellent meal. Don't get me wrong. And I served that over buttered egg noodles. The pictures, I love the colors. Yeah, I think the red cabbage was a little, I'm going to use this word, tougher, because it didn't wilt or soften like in the past. I'm not going to say red versus green. I'm just saying it just didn't. No matter how hard I tried and how much liquid I added to the wok to get it to soften down, to wilt. I mean, it did, but not, yeah. So, all right, but it was still an excellent meal. A lot of fun. Again, this is an ingredient list, not an actual, with a method and instructions and all that. I will get it posted up. Tonight, I'm doing crispy gnocchi primavera. I love that word. Gnocchi. All right, let's get to it. Super simple. It's a sheet pan dish. There's the bowl to mix everything up in. We've got one package of gnocchi, some snap peas, red onion, garlic, yellow squash, orange pepper, red pepper, olive oil, red pepper flakes, kosher salt, black pepper, pecorino romano cheese, and some parsley. Yeah, I almost said basil. That's parsley. Super simple. Cut it up, get it in a bowl, add a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, mix it out, put it on a sheet pan, throw it in the oven. Simple. Meatless dish. Meatless Friday. Oops. Meatless Monday. Something like that. All right. I do have next week's menu. I will get that posted up as well. Great meals for next week. I'll get that posted up. So, it's going to be near 100 degrees around here in Sutter County. Thank you to Bob Harlan's weather forecast. I'm not looking forward to next week. It's going to be really hot here. All right, on this Freaky Friday, have a great day, eat great food, and if I don't see you, have a good weekend, and have fun cooking.